are teenagers making money while they sleep, employees escaping the paycheck cycle, and ordinary people quietly building wealth in the background. Not because they're lucky, not because they're geniuses, but because they understand one thing most people never learn: how money actually works. See, most people spend their entire lives working for money, but rich people, they make money work for them. And the tool they use most? The stock market. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners are starting to invest in 2026. Step by step. No confusing finance jargon. No fake guru nonsense. Just the real roadmap. Here's the problem. Most people think saving money is enough. It's not, because every single year, inflation quietly destroys the value of your money. Your favorite food costs more, rent costs more, cars cost more. Everything gets more expensive, which means if your money just sits in a bank account, you slowly become poor without realizing it. And that's exactly why investing matters. Because money sitting still dies slowly.